watching again here in my channel. And yes, I am back. So, ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng free time. Actually, hindi siya free. Siningit ko lang talaga. And, kung mapapansin nyo, hindi, charot lang. Ito kasing glasses ko, matagal na siya. And pinagawa ko lang uli kasi medyo sumasakit na yung mata ko. And, hindi ko siya na-vlog. Sayang lang. Gusto ko sana i-feature. But, siguro next time. Ayan. After 6 months. Anyways, without further chika, this vlog's purpose is para makatakas tayo sa 11/11 sale. So, ito na nga, totoo na to. So, for today's vlog, this is gonna be an unboxing vlog ng mga naipon na PR for the last month and this month. Ayan, sa mga hindi ko na vlog. So, pagsasama-samahin ko na lang siya sa isa dahil medyo hirap tayo sa time because of the school works and also sa corner top PH yung business natin. And idagdag na rin natin yung marka bookmarks. Grabe lang guys sa mga PR na to, the biggest thing about this vlog is first time ko makatanggap ng super laking PR, which is box talaga, and kinuha ko pa siya sa LPC. So if you wanna know more and curious kayo kung ano to mga brands dito na nagpadala sa akin at ano yung pinakamalaking brand na nagpadala sa akin ng pinakamalaking package na to, just keep on watching. So, ito na guys. We'll start with the D&J Cosmetics. Ayan. Ito yung pinakalas na nagpadala sa akin na hindi ko na-vlog. And also, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano-ano yung mga laman nito pinadala nila sa akin. So, nag-upload naman ako sa FB and sa page ko ng unboxing din na itong D&J Cosmetics. And gusto ko lang uli ipakita sa inyo kung ano-ano yun. So, here we got my picture here. Ayan. Charan! 3 lip tints. Gel-based tints sila. Ayan. So, ang tawag dito is Aristocrat Tints. Sobrang unique na mga names ng kanilang mga products. Michelle, Apple, and Twyla. Ayan. So, we got here their powder tint. Ayan, itong dalawang to. Which is a Hestia and Demeter. Super ganda niya. And I like the shades. Nagamit ko na siya. And this too is my favorite. Ayan. Ano bang tawag dito? D&J Cosmetics Lippy Spread. Ayan. Para siyang butter pagka in-apply mo siya sa lips. And ito, ayan. Super cute niya. Ang tawag nila dito is Pixie Kiss. The shade of Fairy Spice. I'm not sure pero I think baliktad ako or what. And also, I got their lip scrub. Fairy Floss. It is Strawberry. And this is the first time I received a pot. Alam niyo yung mga pangkilay na nasa container na gano'n. First time ko siya maka-receive and ganyan ang itsura niya. Ayan siya, s'more. And gamit ko ngayon yung isa pa nilang pangkilay. Ito kasi s'more. Then this one is fudge. My favorite pangkilay as of now yung fudge. Ayan siya. And also this one, super cute niya. First time ko rin nakatanggap nito. This is their Love Puff. Nagamit na siya sa audition ko sa Magwayin. And sobrang natense ako nun. Hindi siya mahirap i-push, but natatakot lang ako kasi it's really pigmented. Ayan. Oh my gosh. Kinakabahan ako sa small amount niya na ganyan. So this one, that small amount. So, nuruan kasi ako ni Ate Ina kasi medyo natense ako sa audition. Sino ba bang hindi matetense pagka nag-audition ka na? So, sa small amount mo na yan, ako'y natatakot na kasi it's really pigmented. But anyways, I didn't look so much sinampal or I didn't look bad sa madaming amount netong na-push kong to kasi it's super blendable. Ayan, hindi ako nagmukhang tanga, promise. So, this is D&J Cosmetics Love Babe Smacker in the shade of Love Puff. So, ayan siya. So, this is the last one. Imagine niyo yan, ang tagal-tagal na ng vlog kong 1K subscribers and I promised to myself na hindi ko bubuksan tong chichiryang to. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi ko talaga alam kung ano to eh. Curious talaga ako at I don't want to open it by myself na wala sa camera. I wanna share it to you guys kung ano ba to at kung gaano siya ka-special. And so, ayan. It is entitled Sarika. Sari talaga ako pagka binuksan ko tong walang camera. So, ayan na nga siya. Oh my gosh, finally I'm opening this one. Oh. Wow, I think this is a lipstick. So, ayan siya, oh. Wait, ang nakalagay dito is D&J Cosmetics. And in the shade of Ziana. Ayan, nakalagay. Ziana. So, let's open it. Oh, lipstick nga siya. Girls, ang cute. This is what you've been dreaming for. Every girl wants this one. Oh my gosh, ito yung mga nakikita niyong cosmetics sa Thailand. Ayan siya. O, diba? Ang ganda niya. Gonna swatch it right here. Super cute. Ang ganda ng shade niya. Diba? So, let's move on to another PR package, which is from this seventh corner. So, this is not really how it looks like nang dumating siya sa akin. The first one, hindi talaga mawawala yung mga pa-picture nila. Kahit maubos yung mga cosmetics. This is what I'm holding for, that naging part ako ng family nila. This lip scrub from seventh corner is called Kisses. Yes, I agree this is like a Kisses kasi it's edible. Sarap ng ubusin, mga Mars. It looks like a macaroon na packaging niya. Super cute niya. Ayan. First time ko rin makatanggap ng ganito. Sobrang na-excite ako nung nakita ko. Ayan siya. And it really smells like strawberries. Ayan. Super bango niya. The other one here is, ayan. For me, it smells like blueberries. Basta mga candy ganun. And super bango nila. Super effective sila for moisturizing and exfoliating your lips every night. Okay, so for the next one is, we got here their body scrub. Hindi ganito ang itsura niya. Medyo nangarag na siya sa akin kasi medyo matagal na din. And this is what it looks like sa loob. Nung dumating siya sa akin, ang color niya is like cotton candy. Sarap niya ipandigo. And the good thing about here is, kahit nakataob siya, is naka-ziplock yung ating body scrub para hindi siya matapon. For the next one is, we have this seven corner shade nude. This is their newest or latest release na products. Ayan siya. So my favorite shade here is this one. Ayan. I'm gonna get this because this is the Rampage Queen. For the next one of the lip is, we got here the seven corner sweet tints. Ayan, super cute nila. And we got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 varieties of shades. We got here the cookie brown. Sige, magkabalian tayo. Rose red, the candy pink, the vamp it up, and the other one is, sige, baliktad. The peachy peach. So here it is. Charan! It's really watery, ha? Ayan siya. Ooh, this one's brown nga talaga. It's cookie brown and I love it. The rose red. Oh, mukhang nanlalaban siya, ha? Ayan, this is the rose red. It's a bit red-orange for me. Ayan. So this is the shade of rose red. Then this one is candy pink. Let's see what candy pink looks like. Oh, mukha siyang gloss, ha? It's really natural. I'll bump it up. Siguro it's like a vibe of a vampire. Am I right? It looks like a blood. And the last one is the peachy peach. So this is the orange. Ayan. Bagay ito sa mga sweet peach looks nyo. And that's it, guys. And the most exciting part here is yung pinaka-favorite ko na nakuha ko, and sobrang latest na to para sa akin. Seven Corner Sparks. And this one is highlighters, and super cute niya. Ayan. Itsura niya. Ewan ko kung makikita. Sige, pero let's try. Ito ang itsura niya. O, diba? It's really pigmented. So, let's try it putting here. Ayan. Then, here in my nose. Kumikintabang dito ko, mga sis. O, ang ilong ko. So that's all from Seven Corner. So we've finished 2 PR packages. So for the next one, we're gonna open this from Andromeda tints. This too, first time ko makatanggap ng lip gloss. And I don't know guys if you can see or read this one, pero ang nakalagay here is Andromeda lip gloss. The first one is ito, super natural talaga niya. And the other one here is may halo siyang pink. Wanna try this one, itong colorless kasi may pigment naman na dito. So here it is. So let's move on dito sa pinaka nakaka-excite na part about them is they released their matte siguro sila, pero ayan, naka-plastic pa siya and it's really new. So we have here the shades. Ayan, we have the Ara, Ash, L, and Luna. The cap is silver. Swatch natin yung Ara. Shake well. Ayan. Oh my. It looks creamy. Parang siyang nude. Ganda niya tignan. So let's have this another one. Ash. Let's put it here. Ooh. This one is peachy. The next one is L. Oh my, ang ganda niya. It's red. And the last one here is Luna. Ito. Mapupuno na ng swatch yung braso. Wow. I think this is really meant for those people na super simple. This is powder matte. Andromeda's powder matte. Okay, so we're bound to the last PR package that I received for this month. And I can't wait to show you this kasi super laki niya talaga. And this is it. Tarahan! Ang laki-laki niya. It's from LPC pa. So let's unbox it na muna. Okay, so what is it naka-embed yung name ko dito. It's Francesca Y. We're gonna unbox this one. Wait, kailangan kong huminga. Let's start from the packaging. It's really gorgeous and I feel like a star. I feel like a celebrity. So, let's open it. Medyo nawawarshock ako kasi ang daming products na nakalagay dito. So, ito siya. Oh, diba? Lakas maka-gorgeous. And this one, I have my name here. Crystal Perez, CEO. And she also have her signature right here. And for the third one, we have here that tag. Ayan, super ganda niya. Charan, mukha siyang bookmark, ang cute niya. So let's proceed to the products that's inside this. So we have a pair of lashes here, one and another one. It's Ola Lash because lashes matter. It is Tala Cosmetics and Glamic. So ito siya. Ayan, super ganda ng lashes niya. I can't wait to try this one. The other one here. Diba? Ang lakas niya makapampageant. First time ko makatanggap na ganito. We have there Tala Cosmetics Take a Brow Pomade. So, we have here the ash gray and also the deep brown. Ayan siya. We have here, oh my, Tala Cosmetics Flick Freak Eyebrow Soap. First time ko din makatanggap ng eyebrow soap sa lahat ng brands na meron ako. And this one is, ito yung pinaka-treasure ko sa lahat. So, ayan siya. Mukha siyang walang laman. Also, they have here, ayan, yung pang brush, pang ganun sa kilay. Ayan, pati yung spoolie. The next product we have here, the lip scrub. Tala Cosmetics Smooth Tinted Lip Scrub. Ayan, ganyan siya. It looks like a diamond. Ang ganda-ganda niya. First time ko rin makatanggap ng ganito. Ang daming first time. And for the lippy, we have their products. Their HD Matte Tint. Seren ba? Correct me if I'm wrong guys ha. Seren. This one is Astra. Familiar naman siya sa akin. And the next one is Chaska. Chaska, kumunti ka na sa pangalan ko, Cheska. And the last one is Sitlali. Correct me if I'm wrong, pasensya. Ayan, this is Tala Cosmetics Powdery Matte Tint. And super gaganda ng mga shades niya. We have here Riva, Alia. We have here Sarah. Dito talaga tayo legit na mapapasaw ng Tala. Basta anything Tatanong ko na lang, pero ayan siya. Ang ganda ng shade niya. Nova. I heard this is the best seller of Tala Cosmetics. Okay guys, so that's it. So before I end this video, I would like to thank sa lahat ng CEO na nagtiwala sa akin. First one is kay Miss Deidre Fabian ng D&J Cosmetics. The second one is kay Miss Glarica Rupa, ayan, sa 7 Corner. And the third one is sa Andromeda, which is si ate siya sa Andromeda din. Siya yung pinaka-consistent mag-distribute ng PR packages every month. And lastly, the fourth one is si Ate Crystal Perez, and sobrang blessed ako na meron akong CEO na katulad niya. And she also trusts me for her biggest milestones of her life. So this is it. Itong pinaka-proud ko sa inyo, ayan, itong Tala Cosmetics. So I will also flash the photos right here sa gilid ko. So this one, I made this. I edited this pictures and I also composed the messages right here. If you guys are interested for my works, you can send a DM to me or ayun, basta I offer an affordable price for artists. Merong iba kasi na gugulat sa rate ng artist, but ayun, yung time saka effort kasi namin and ideas namin yung binibigay namin. I also asked from my co-artists and ang sabi nila, walang iba makakapagbigay ng rate mo kundi ikaw kasi ikaw yung nagpapagal. So yes, I think I'm gonna cut this video. So if you enjoyed this vlog at meron kayong natuklasan na naman na bagong brand, I hope you give a thumbs up there or like this video. Salamat sa pagsasayang ng oras sa panonood nyo, sa pag-unboxing ko at sa pagdadaldal ko dito. And I hope you share this guys too para ma-spread pa yung mga local cosmetic brand na pinopromote ko. Kasi if you are helping a small business, you are supporting a dream. Remember that guys, remember that. And especially of course, please don't forget to subscribe here in my channel, ayan. At dahil nandito kayo sa dulo ng video na to, I would like to congratulate you because you finished it. Maraming salamat sa panonood and sana masarap ang ulam mo. See you sa aking next vlog. Bye!
1, 2, 3, funky.